Shahruh Technologies presents a brief biography of a renowned geologist of Pakistan, Muhammad Qasim Jan. Early life and education. Muhammad Qasim Jan was born on January 10, 1944 in Hangu, Pakistan. His formative education took place in various institutions in northern Pakistan. He graduated with a BSc with first class honors in geology from the University of Peshawar in 1964. He pursued higher studies in the United States, earning an MS from the University of Oregon in 1967 and later completing his PhD at the University of London King's College in 1977. Academic career. Jan's academic journey began as a lecturer at the University of Peshawar in 1968. Over the years, he ascended through the ranks, serving as assistant professor, associate professor, and eventually as full professor in 1983. He also held the position of Dean of the Natural Sciences faculty starting from 1997. Postdoctoral research and international engagements. Jan's scholarly pursuits extended beyond Pakistan. He conducted postdoctoral research at various prestigious institutions, including Dartmouth College, University of Leicester, and University of Oklahoma. He actively participated in academic exchanges, delivering lectures on the geology of the Northwest Himalayas in Europe, the US, and Australia. Leadership roles in academia. Throughout his career, Jan held prominent leadership positions in academia. He served as Vice Chancellor of the University of Peshawar from 1997 to 2000 and later became the founder Vice Chancellor of the Sarhad University of Science and Information Technology, Peshawar from July 2001 to December 2003. He also served as Vice Chancellor of Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamabad from October 2005 to February 2010. Current roles and contributions. Presently, M. Qasim Jan holds the esteemed position of Professor Emeritus at the National Center of Excellence in Geology, University of Peshawar. Additionally, he serves as the Secretary General of the Pakistan Academy of Science and the Association of the Academies of Science in Asia. Selected publications and research focus. Jan's scholarly contributions encompass a wide array of topics within geology and tectonics, with a particular emphasis on the Northwest Himalayas. He has authored or edited a dozen books and published numerous papers in reputed scientific journals. Awards and honors. M. Qasim Jan's contributions to the field of geology have been recognized through various awards and honors, including civil awards from the Government of Pakistan, fellowships, honorary memberships, and accolades from prestigious scientific organizations and societies. Legacy and impact. M. Qasim Jan's dedication to advancing geological research and his exemplary leadership in academia continue to inspire scholars and researchers within Pakistan and globally. His contributions have significantly enriched the understanding of geology and tectonics, particularly in the context of the Northwest Himalayas.